In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PTR record in Cloudflare. This process is invaluable if you want to manage your DNS settings more effectively, particularly for inbound and outbound emails. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Cloudflare homepage. Open your web browser and head over to the Cloudflare dashboard. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials to access your account dashboard, where all the magic happens. You'll notice a clean interface designed to keep things straightforward. Once you're on the Cloudflare dashboard, look for the Domains section. A quick click there will bring up a list of all the domains you have associated with your account. Here's where you take stock of your digital real estate, so to speak. Now, choose the domain for which you want to create the PTR record. It's crucial to ensure you're editing the correct domain, so double check if necessary. With the right domain selected, turn your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu. From there, click on DNS. This is your entry point to managing the required DNS records. Each DNS entry is like a set of instructions directing internet traffic to where it needs to go. Now, this brings us to adding a new record. Spot the Add Record button and click it. This is your starting line for inputting new DNS data. A menu will pop up with several options. You'll want to select Type PTR from this list. Selecting the PTR type is essential because it signifies a pointer record, which maps an IP address to a domain name. Next up, it's time to enter the name. This name should be reflective of what you're pointing your IP back to, a reverse reference, if you will. Make sure you fill this out accurately, as it impacts how servers recognize and communicate back with your domain. After entering the name, you'll need to input your domain name. This is the destination that links back to your IP address, solidifying the reverse lookup process. Ensure these details are precise to avoid any misconfigurations that might cause headaches later on. And now for the final step, clicking Save. By saving your settings, you commit these changes to your DNS records. You'll want to double check that everything is set right, as these records can take some time to propagate fully across the internet. That's all there is to it. Creating a PTR record on Cloudflare might seem a bit daunting at first, but with these clear steps, you'll find it's a manageable task. With DNS settings correctly configured, you can ensure smooth and reliable web operations. Stay tuned for more tutorials like this one, and until then, happy browsing!